I want you to engage with me on a mission. It's a mission about life. It's a mission about how we commit to take care of our unsheltered relatives.
Homelessness is not an adjective, it's a condition. It is an experience that people are going through. It's something that happens to people.
The Alameda Wellness Campus is being developed by Alameda Point Collaborative, Lifelong Medical Care, and Mercy Housing to create a new model of care for unhoused people with complex health conditions. The Wellness Campus will house a 50-bed high acuity medical respite program, as well as people who need hospice level care. On-site primary care clinic, 98 units of supportive housing for seniors, and a small resource center, all housed in one 3.6 acre property that's right down the street from a beautiful shoreline park and beach in Alameda. This is a very rare opportunity for a nonprofit to acquire federal land for free, particularly that it's in this gorgeous location.
This project is personal to me. There's nothing like this project in the nation for our unhoused relatives.
My mother died, they sold the house, and that's when I became homeless.
Before I found a respite, I was sleeping on my own car and got no direction, no place to go.
It made me have a purpose to strive for my next step in getting an apartment.
In the United States, currently, the average age of death for someone experiencing homelessness more than 2 years is around 45 to 50 years old. The East Bay is one of the epicenters for homelessness in the entirety of the country.
This project addresses some of the major issues on all of our hearts and minds right now, including the rightful attention on racial inequities and health disparities.
I didn't trust that, medical assistant people would always, really be concerned about my health. Because first of all, I was an addict.
In our work, what we endeavor to do is to walk with people through a journey of building relationships and trust towards whatever version of health best matches the patient and alleviates suffering. People are dying on the streets because they don't have access to medical respite.
Imagine having an operation and you're in the hospital for a period of time, and at that end of period of time, you have to come back to a tent. You're sick, you're cold, and you need medication that has to be refrigerated. And then you want me to come to the clinic. Well, I'm not going to come to the clinic because I'm not going to leave the few precious things that I have in my tent.
If it wasn't for this place, I have no idea. I could probably end up being dead, killed, overdose of something. And I'm here and I'm very proud and feel very safe.
I just ain't existing anymore. Gave me a place to start living again and start getting my life back together.
Feel good because everybody care about me, what about because I'm gonna walk again. I just start getting off my feet and start making myself strong again.
It's a comfort to have a respite bed, a place to know that you can be and that you can get fed and you can do what you need to do for your health.
Day one will be welcoming people off the street through street medicine and through area hospitals, and right away we'll be starting on a plan to connect them to permanent and suitable housing, as well as a primary care home for consistent health care for their overall well-being.
It would be a joy to be here, and to have a respite bed and to have medical staff to care for me, and then a place where we could meet people who are going through some of the things that we're going through, and they feel like they're going to be all right, It's the comfort of feeling like everything's going to be all right.
It would be a huge injustice if this project does not come to fruition. It must be built.
It's very important that we get it built. Like I say, no politics, no debate, just get the doggone thing built.
One of the things I often think about is how we can operate collectively. You could break off each of my fingers really, really easy, but when my fingers come together, it becomes powerful. You can't pry them apart. So I just want us to think about simply, how do we come together to create the type of world that we envision?